Hey guys, I'm Brett from WR Performance Products, and today I'm going to show you why I use Mud Defender on all my off-road vehicles and why you should too. Most of us probably have an off-road vehicle that over time starts to look like this. Plastic scratch, graphics peel, and metal just doesn't look like it used to. That's why we came up with Mud Defender. In short, Mud Defender makes old surfaces look like new. It hides scratches and imperfections and brings back the original color. But Mud Defender isn't just a high-end detailer. It also helps reduce the sticking and cleanup of mud. And if that wasn't enough, we also use a different technology in our Mud Defender cans that makes it far superior. A typical aerosol can has approximately 40% propellant, which isn't even usable material. And because of this design, these cans can only be sprayed when they're upright. What you are getting out of this can is 100% Mud Defender because there is no propellant mixed into the solution. This means you get far more coverage out of a can. And you can spray this upside down, making it easy to coat undercarriages and other hard to reach places. This stuff is really easy to use and makes a huge difference in the look and longevity of your vehicle. If you want to learn more or to buy some Mud Defender for yourself, be sure to check us out at WRPerformanceProducts.com and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys.